Hi, I'm Dave Mitchell. I'm with IBM. My job and role is as the Senior Product Manager for IBM Cloud, focused mostly on IBM Cloud and the cyber security solutions that we do with VMware. So I'm happy to talk about one lab in particular, focusing on IBM Cloud Cyber Recovery. It's a great lab built on top of VMware with a number of our solutions all integrated on top of IBM Cloud. One of the things that Cyber Recovery on IBM Cloud brings to the market is the ability to support and protect VMware, but it also uses VMware as the engine and the tool to deliver a solution to our clients. So one of the things we like about the lab is it brings the automation together for a client to actually go through and integrate all the components. There are various components to the Cyber Recovery solution. There's the gateways that provide the air gap protection, there's the isolated recovery environment with immutable storage, and then we have, of course, the VMware SDDC components, the virtual networking, the compute processing, and the ability to spin up a clean room so that you can deploy applications in a known good environment. Once you've done that, you can run a lot of different security tools. It's off the grid, so essentially it's an isolated environment protected from production. And with the lab, you can actually see how it's all set up. And then as you go through it, you're going to have a complete understanding of this new solution that's designed to work with disaster recovery and backup, and now it's called IBM Cloud Cyber Recovery. Most users that would really enjoy this lab are admins, security admins in particular, anyone who has experience in backups, running disaster recovery, trying to figure out, what is the best way that I can protect my precious workloads that are very critical to my organization. When a user takes the lab, they're going to go through in about 15 to 20 minutes all the different components needed to build the entire solution. So as you go through the lab, you get to see how the VMware components are set up, you get to see how the air gateway is set up, and you get to basically see how the clean room is set up so that you can use that to protect your workloads. One of the nice things about the IBM Cloud Cyber Recovery Lab is it evolves as the products we add into IBM Cloud evolve. So we're designing this to be a long time. We're going to bring some new tools into the solution, and as new tools and new VMware products and components are added, we're going to update the lab and it will continue to be more innovative.